This is like a famous intersection in Sinsa for food, and these guys here try to draw all the people into the restaurants. Come, my place is best, my place is best. I'll just see if I can cross here. Lots of restaurants, really competitive, so it's actually kind of cheap. Sinsa station exit number 4. There's this little cheap place here I've eaten many times. Well, it's pretty dark, so you probably can't see me very well, so let me get to a light spot. It's 7 o'clock, it's the 5th of September, Sunday, and I was just shooting Karma, the 3rd day, even though yesterday was really like, the schedules were so bad that people showed up late, so we basically cancelled it. We got a couple of small shots. Sinsa station's pretty close to where I live. I live only a few stations away from here, and I rent wireless mics, boom mics, stuff like that. Stuff is much easier to rent than it is to buy. So anyhow, let's look at Sinsa station exit 4. How do you baguette? We run over here. And I'll walk until I get to the main intersection. This is one station from Apgujeong. And Sinsa here is where there's a lot of studios, a lot of entertainment production houses here. And actually many years ago, well, actually this gas station here, GS25, my brother used to live here. Behind there somewhere, it was another gas station there. So this is the intersection, and that goes down to Apgujeong, the Beverly Hills of Korea. And it's a quiet Sunday night, and I'm glad my shooting is over because I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna go home now, and I'm gonna eat. See, I shot at my house, so it was super messy. I had to move everything around in order for it to look a little bit different than it normally does. Anyhow, have a wonderful night. I'll make some videos soon when I'm not so busy. Peace, love, empathy, love. Bye-bye.